a new idea. Should I do it? I want to create short films and somehow include the bike, but how do I fuse short films and turn them into long-form content? Does it need to be long-form? Aren't I just banking on the videos doing well? That people might actually resonate with what I say and what I do? It worked for others, though I'm not sure it'll work for me. Do I have thoughts profound enough they're worthy of being shared? Is that a dumb question? Here's an idea. What if I use this as my entry into doing what I've wanted to from the start? Yes, I quite like the raw nature of that. But I feel the doubt slowly creeping back already, and it's barely been 90 seconds since this thought started. What will my friends and family think? What about my job? I have bills just like everyone else. Is it worth taking the risk?